Hello again. I spoke the other day about the way in which our attention is often diverted into pointless and irrelevant debates, so that we do not ever stop to ask ourselves the real questions about the political and social situation in our country. One of these non-questions is, of course, Brexit, which has made no difference at all to anything in this country, nor will it ever, least of all anything to do with our borders or immigration. It is a sideshow to distract us from real questions. Another popular sideshow of the same kind is the European Convention on Human Rights, which this country signed 70 years ago in the aftermath of the Second World War. It guarantees various things, such as the right to a fair trial and family life and so on. This was more for the benefit of certain European countries with perhaps less liberal traditions than our own. Everything contained in the convention was already covered by British domestic law. In recent years, some people whom we have attempted to deport from this country have claimed that sending them abroad would breach their human rights under the ECHR. For instance, the right to a family life if they have married somebody resident in Britain. Because of this, there are those who have claimed that withdrawing from the European Convention on Human Rights would give us more power to deal with illegal immigrants or people whom we wish to deport. This is, of course, nonsense, for the simple reason that the whole of the European Convention on Human Rights has been part of British law for over 25 years, and even if we withdrew from the ECHR today, every single provision in it would still apply here. One of the first acts of Tony Blair's government when elected in 1997 was to draft a Human Rights Act, which would incorporate the whole of the ECHR into domestic law. This meant that whatever happened in the future, people in Britain would still be guaranteed all the things which the Convention gave them. The sections of the Human Rights Act correspond exactly to those of the European Convention on Human Rights. The whole thing is simply cut and pasted into British law by the 1998 Human Rights Act. But hang on a minute, though, I hear you say. At least this is British law, isn't it? If we withdrew from the European Convention, we wouldn't have to take any notice anymore of the European Human Rights Court, would we? Alas, the Human Rights Act specifically says that the judiciary must take account of any decisions, judgment or opinion of the European Court of Human Rights when interpreting our own human rights law. Even withdrawing from the ECHR, we would still be bound to respect the judgments of the European Court of Human Rights. In other words, withdrawing from the European Convention on Human Rights would make not the slightest difference to this country in any way whatsoever. The strange thing is, of course, that everybody in government knows this, as do all lawyers, newspaper editors, civil servants, and everybody else. It suits these people, though, to see a fruitless debate about whether we should stay in the ECHR or withdraw from it. There never was a more pointless and barren debate. In the description to this video, I give a link to the Wikipedia article on the 1998 Human Rights Act, so that viewers may see for themselves what I mean.